We are writing music because I just found out that in like 3 days I'll be in a studio recording 5 songs. And one of them I have to write to this beat, and I haven't yet, so. Yay! I'm headed to go meet my manager. Just bringing me a microphone so I have a microphone to dance with. I just got the microphone. It's right over there. So I'm so excited because I start choreography this weekend, and then I have studio all next week and choreography all next week, which means shows are coming soon. We're probably maybe a month out, month and a half. So excited. We're going down to the pool. Well, to this hot tub. Hey y'all. So it is dinner time. I'm making oatmeal. Hot tub was nice. I was in there for like 2 hours. Came back, showered, and then obviously did some skincare stuff because that chlorine just like, oh, whatever. Anyways, we're gonna make oatmeal for dinner. And yeah, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Good morning, good morning. It is 7:09. I woke up at 6:45 and got ready for the gym. Today we're not making a shake. We are just going to take our pill and call it a freaking day. Because I'm trying something. I think today's a hard day. So we're gonna do everything to the best of our abilities. First, let's put our little candy cane in the right day. There we go. Well, my dad just booked my flight home for Christmas, so yay. It's gonna be hard to get back adjusted, so woo.
Like he's avoiding the press. Does this mean that the prince... I do feel sorry for you. It looks all...
I'm going to the pool. It looks like it's gonna storm, but I don't care. Okay, we are also gonna rearrange my room so it's easier when my mom's here, so it's not in the corner, because I feel like that's just gonna be so inconvenient if there's 2 of us sleeping in there. Okay, here is the room now. Obviously, I have some more cleaning, but there's so much more room, it feels like. My clothes got to be cleaned off there, but that stuff I'm bringing to a modeling shoot, so it's really just that I have to clean off. But isn't it so cute now? I'm going for a walk, so I don't snack on food before dinner.
What do they call it? Sympathetic weight gain syndrome.
Don't tell us.
You have my word.
Okay, I just washed my face, put on my lash serum and everything, so I'm headed to bed. We have a lot of cleaning to do tomorrow before my mom gets here, so see you in the morning. Good morning, vlog. I just woke up. That's not true. I've been laying in bed for like 30 minutes, but I'm up. I'm ready to go start cleaning and wash my face. I need all this gone by the time we get into a studio. Oh shoot, I have a photo shoot tomorrow. I need this gone by tomorrow. Okay, we are getting ready to clean. My mom's flight has already been delayed 2 hours, so she won't be here until like 7:30 tonight. So that sucks, but it's okay. At least she's still coming. And I'd rather them be safe than sorry. But we're still gonna clean. We're still gonna do the thing. My grandparents are still coming into town. So we are gonna put on some fuzzy socks, or not fuzzy socks. We're gonna put on some socks because we're vacuuming, dusting, sweeping, all the stuff. And we're gonna put on a long t-shirt or sweatshirt. We're gonna dance around while we clean. It's gonna be so much fun. Tomorrow, So I'm actually gonna give you the before and after just because I'm gonna have like music playing in the background and also just vibing. So yeah. Okay, so here's the kitchen, and then the living room. I just messed up those pillows, so ignore it. Cute, right? Bathroom, all clean. I deep cleaned the shower, so we're good. And then bedroom, all cleaned and pretty. I just went grocery shopping and restocked. And that's so pretty up there. It's a little off, but that's okay. Restocked, and then also restocked some of my snacks and stuff, so yeah, now we're just gonna chillax. My grandparents should be on the way pretty soon, but just mentally gonna just relax, so. Oh my gosh, poor mom. It's raining.
Ooh, water.
Water, I'm melting.
Wet.
Ooh. Oh, that's the best clip ever.
You do.
Grandma, what did I just do?
You locked Grandpa out.
No.
More than once.
No.
Yes, you just kept locking the door and he was using his clicker to unlock it and you kept locking it.
Could never do that.
Yes, you did. His little Haile did that to him. Sweet little.
Oh, it's Christmas.
Is it cute?
So cute. Oh my gosh.
Right?
Oh, it's perfection.
Mm-hmm.